Hey guys, so this is another Access chapter, chapter 4. For this assignment, we were to create a split form from scratch. So basically, the professor gave us an already done spreadsheet that we were to collect information from. And in order to extract that information, you would select external data, as I did here, and select Access. You would browse your computer for the file and you would open it. This would be the file here that I extracted the information from, and then you just select Save. Um, you would select OK, and it would bring up this, and you would just save it as you wanted it to be saved. Now, I extracted only the books table and the books forms from that um, particular spreadsheet. The assignment called for us to make sure that we created a split form out of the books form. So to create a split form, you would basically go to create, select more forms, and have make sure you have the books form category selected, and then you just select split form. And as you can see, it comes up here. The assignment called for us to delete this entire author code um, font. So you would go to arrange, select column, and just select delete. And as you can see here, it's gone. Now, after deleting that, we were asked to sort the titles in ascending order. So you would select that and you would go to sort to A to Z. And you were asked to also increase the font of the title control to 14. So you would go home and increase the font to 14. Then we were to apply a theme. You would select theme. The theme that we wanted to create was the integral. So you would select here, and it's not allowing me to do it, but you would basically select this one, apply theme to this object only. You would select that, and then you would go back to format, shape fill, and you would select the standard color medium gray. And basically, I'm really enjoying learning Access. I think this is a very cool database program, as you're able to create so many different categories. You're able to sort, you're able to create new books, you're able to create different tables, forms in different categories that you would need. And it comes in handy if you have like a small business, or if you're a student, you're trying to categorize certain things. It's a world of opportunity here where you can store your information. I hope you learned something. Have a good night.